on Murphy. So,
Oh, I know why.
see,
I know why. I didn't know Demeka. What the fuck? I forget to use my fire converter.
okay, sige. That's why. So, CB myself, go aim Babayaga, ha? Ice, you just go around first. Devo on, eh? Devo on. JP, you're being targeted by...
Okay, okay lang. Bursting post. Okay, pwede ko.
Grace up. Grace up, grace up.
Okay, post Malone up.
Post Malone. Devo up. Sige. Grace up.
Parang ito.
Devo up.
Aim mo lang si Memories Boss Ice. 20M na mabuhay mo. Sige, pwede lang ako, pwede ko.
Go. This one, we go soda. We try to fatigue them. Grace up. Devo up. Try to sustain JP.
Hindi ko masisi si Memories do.
It's okay. You just try your best. This one soda. I try to life steal CB. Grace up. Sayang.
I really
Epic,
cannot
epic.
life steal. The X26 always attack me.
Wait. Rick blocks my movie.
Sige. Devo up.
Okay. I take Babayaga.
Ito pa kaya ka?
So, we try to life steal.
Wait a second.
JJ ako pwede.
Okay, we Devo on.
Pwede ko, Jay. Sige, nawakan ko lahat, Jay. Nawakan ko lahat.
Then we're in a good position, ah. Wala. Sige. Devo on. Grace on also. You try to CC memory. So no free hit. Okay.
Vision pinaka-blandok.
Okay lang. That's your role. You just 6 to 6 now, 6 to 6 now.
Memories hold.
Devo on.
Hey, can you debuff to Post Malone? Almost
Okay, wait. Sige, pwede ka ako, Jay.
You change target dancer to Post Malone, ah.
Okay, go.
You go Post Malone.
JJ, pwede ko. Okay, hold. Post Malone, hold.
Okay. It's okay. Grace up.
Sinagot akong Prioni.
Devotion up.
Post Malone, hold.
Ayan. Sige.
Memories,
Grace up.
boss side? Sige, na-hold ko, Jay.
Sige lang, Grace.
Sige, memory solved.
We go to Post Malone. Devo up, Devo up.
Go to Post Malone, Post Malone.
Sorry.
Post Malone now, Post Malone now.
Oy,
Okay,
nice.
victory 1.
Try. Focus pause.
Okay,
Yeah.
what we can do is,
Boss Ice,
JP,
pwede mo i-aim si Memories para ma-blind.
Okay.
JP, you try Post Malone.
Okay, Doc.
Kasi you can see si Memories eh. You go Post Malone
Left.
We go, Babayaga
TB,
first.
okay, Babayaga first.
Until he fed
Wait,
ka.
wait,
So
wait,
you guys
Reso.
can easily kill him.
Sure. Devo ready.
Wait.
Sige. Babayaga already,
Already fati ka. Babayaga.
already fatigue.
Pakaira ko, Jay.
Sayang. I go to Soda now, ha? Are you fatigued, Dancer?
Yes, Doc.
You fatigued,
Level
Dancer? Okay.
Post Malone, Post Malone.
Go Post Malone. Go Post Malone
Go,
now.
Post Malone.
Dancer, you go Post Malone. JP.
Go, Doc.
Devo,
Babayaga
sorry.
first, Babayaga first.
Sige. I need...
Kill Babayaga and Soda first.
Okay, sure.
Later. Okay. Come on to me. F1.
Devo on.
Oh.
Shield on.
Okay.
Sige. Wait, Reso. We just fatigue Soda and Babayaga, ha? And then once Dancer is ready, we go
Wait
Post
mo na lang,
Malone.
mawala pating ko. Ay, mamamatay sila, oh.
Yeah, wait.
Devo on. You go hide muna. Ice.
Go. You can rest now. Wait, later. Wait.
You try life steal, CB.
Later.
Check for lots now.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Pwede epic, Jay.
Devo on. Devo on. Bantayin
Pwede ko,
mo
Jay,
life mo, JP. I'm Freoni, Na-Freoni ako.
Go, na-hold lahat.
I'm CC'd by Babayaga. Sige. Grayson.
I go to post.
You go post. Okay, yeah. I'm with Babayaga. Babayaga down.
3 seconds.
Devotion on.
Sige, okay.
You try to life steal, CB.
Wait a second.
Post Malone mid.
Grayson.
Ako, Jay.
Devo on yun, Jay. Malayo ka. Can you reso? No reso yan. You have
Couple
reso.
reso.
Couple reso. Hindi.
Need half HP.
Half HP eh. Wala na.
Wala.
Wala. Half. Okay. We need to coordinate well. So we do what we did first. So Babayaga first and then Soda. With Post Malone.
Uy, nag-ano, Petreso.
Sino?
Yung Petreso, party.
Okay, sige. Okay, we go Babayaga first ha, and then Soda. Sige. Devo on, Devo on. Grace on, Grace on. Soda Babayaga only. If not, Post
Post
Malone.
Malone mid.
Post Malone, Post Malone.
Post Malone, Post Malone.
I'm die.
Oh, you die.
Babayaga again, Babayaga again. We just repeat that, no? Babayaga. And then we go Babayaga again. And then Post Malone now. Post Malone now.
Post Malone mid, dying.
Oh. Grace on. Devotion on.
Sakit.
Sige lang. I'm with Babayaga, sige. And then Soda. Devotion on, Devotion on. I'm free on need,
Hindi ko masisit siya, no? Memories.
Okay lang. So best you see the Post Malone, but you say if Post Malone is CC'd, so that CB can go there. JP, check your life, Jay, You're half
Post
alive.
Malone dying.
Devotion on.
Nice. Post Malone dead. Uy,
One more. It's okay. We be disciplined. Babayaga again and Soda.
Yeah, Babayaga again.
Oo.
ako Jay.
Grace on. You just stick to me, Jay, ha? Kasi... go Dancer, Soda. We have a good timing, When Dancer is on, we go to Post Malone. But you try to hit first, CD.
dancer.
Dancer first. And then Soda. I'm free on it, Babayaga down. King's Grace on, I'll go to Babayaga again. Down. Soda. 2 minutes. We just be disciplined. Go Post Malone now. You try to CC.
CC
Babayaga
ako.
down. Okay lang. Babayaga down. Devotion up. You go Panacea so that you can regen. Okay, Babayaga down. So, I'm switching lang Babayaga and Soda.
Ako Jay.
Sige. Devotion up, You try to CC, Post Malone. JP.
Okay, Post Malone hold.
Okay.
Post Malone hold. Post Malone hold.
I'm on Post Malone also. Go.
Oh.
No. 1 minute, Babayaga still and Soda.
Post Malone hold.
Post Malone. Hold him.
Post Malone doc. Post Malone dying. Nice.
Guys.
Nice CB. Soda.
Oy, again.
Post Malone. Third life.
This memories has a lot of resume,
It's okay.
Devo.
We focus. I'm free on it.
Post Malone dying.
Devo up. I'm step also. 20
17
seconds. 20 seconds. I'll go Babayaga and Soda. You go Post Malone.
He's searching.
You try to CC Post Malone JP so okay na Treso we lose.